Cover can get filthy. I'll show you how to clean it. You protect the car, but it takes a lot of abuse. Bottom of the edge, you can see the green mildew. Eventually, the sun starts to deteriorate these, so they do have to be replaced from time to time. Wash it on a gentle cycle. You don't want to use the dryer on these. Use some normal laundry soap. Put it on delicate. Hot water. First run through the washer. Still a lot of that mildew's left, so we'll run it again. More soap in. Once the water fills, we'll add some bleach because I don't want the bleach going in and burning the fabric. We're making progress, but I'm going to soak this in bleach. Some bleach into some rainwater. Put it in and let it soak. Agitate it around and make sure that all the bleach gets into all the fabric. At this point, I've washed this 5 times in the washing machine, soaked it for 24 hours in bleach. Although there is an improvement, we're still gonna have to keep going. Add bleach and soap to a rain barrel. Make sure it's all mixed in before we put the fabric in. Add in the fabric. I washed all the bleach out of it. We'll dry this out. It's a lot cleaner, but it's far from perfect. Even with heavy bleaching, these stains will not go away. A single layer car cover like this is best when it's just stored in a garage to keep dust off. The cover takes a lot of abuse, but at least it protects the car.